Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account and turning on rewards. This unlocks tracking and offers. Install Edge and set it as your default browser because Edge searches and browser bonuses boost earnings automatically. Once done, prioritize quick daily sets, quizzes, and short tasks that take 1 to 5 minutes since they give immediate points. Make sure your profile and country settings match to avoid disqualified activity, and sync device history to count all eligible searches. You now scale earnings by using Bing on desktop and mobile, reaching daily search caps on each device. That multiplies point accrual. Make sure to engage the Edge Discovery pane and Microsoft Start feed for passive bonus tasks, and complete interactive modules when they appear. Once done, check the Microsoft Rewards mobile app for device-specific challenges and stack available promotions like credit card or Xbox offers. Keep an organized checklist so you don't miss recurring weekly boosts and limited-time multipliers. You finish by redeeming accumulated points for the highest value rewards you use. Gift cards often give the best return per point. Once done, regularly review the activity page to confirm points posted. Note any missing entries with dates and action descriptions to support claims. If points don't appear, clear browser cache, sign out and back in, and retry the same action. If that fails, contact Microsoft Rewards support and include screenshots and timestamps. This troubleshooting step resolves most disputes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.